Hello, it's Crypto Farmer XD, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new 15-watt energy efficiency miners that just dropped on Gomining.com today, November 11th, 2024. We're going to be taking a look at the cost for creating one of these miners, upgrading a miner, and then as well as how am I feeling about it and am I going to be doing it. So let's go ahead and hop over to my dashboard and we'll start from there with creating a miner to see exactly what that looks like. So when you come in to create a miner, you're going to have an additional option here under energy efficiency, which is the 15 watt safe. Previously it was only 20 watt. Now you have the 15 watt, which is the new thing here that we're talking about today. So if you look at a 1 hash rate 20 watt, it's going to cost you $20.99 to create this miner. If you're looking at a 1 hash 15 watt, it's going to cost you $34.99 to create this miner. So that is a $14 premium to go with a 15 watt versus a 20 watt. Now, why would you do this? What is the benefit of getting a 15 over 20 watt? Let's take a look at that. If you're looking at a 1 hash 20 watt, you're going to be paying 75 cents in maintenance fees. If you were to a month, so if you're looking at the 15 watt 1 hash, you're going to be paying 61 cents in maintenance fees. So essentially what the wattage per hash rate means is that instead of you're paying less per electricity. So instead of paying, what was it, 75 cents, you're going to be paying 61 cents a month for electricity. So instead of that money going to the electricity maintenance fees, it's going to be going to your wallet as an additional reward. So you're going to be getting 14 cents additional reward per month if you're doing a 1 hash rate 15 watt miner. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, 14 cents a month, but this really kind of compounds and you can really see the value. If you can maybe get like a 32 watt, you're going to be paying $19.50 instead of what you would have with the 20 watt at $23.85. So that is the benefit of the 15 watt over the 20 watt and the kind of the price difference when it comes to creating a miner. Now let's look at what it looks like to upgrade a 1 hash rate 20 watt to be a 1 hash 15 watt. So if we come over here and we go to the efficiency upgrade, you're going to see there are some new pre-made bundles that you can buy, but we're going to go to customize. And as far as the prices go to upgrade a 20 down to a 15, it is $2.24 per level. So if you want to go from a 20 to a 19, it's going to be $2.24. You want to go from a 19 to an 18, it's $2.24. Meaning that roughly, if you were to go from 20 watts to 15 watts, it's going to cost you about $11.20, I think. Yeah, so if you're going to go from a 20 watt to a 15 watt, it's going to be $11.18 per hash. Now, because this is a 1 hash miner, you're only seeing the the $11.18. And then from here, you can see the electricity fees, what you used to pay, what you are paying, and then what your rewards will increase by. Now, to kind of give you a better idea as far as like what this looks like, we can go over here and look at my 128 hash rate 20 watt miner. If I were to upgrade this fully to a 15 watt, it's going to cost me $1,400, which is pretty steep in my opinion. But you'll see here, instead of paying $2.32 a day, I will be paying 174 cents a day, and I will get an additional 58 cents into my rewards wallet every day. So again, these prices here that you see here are per hash. Don't forget that. It's not that you're going to be paying just that. It's however much hash the miner has, that's how much you're going to be paying. So currently it's looking about $11.20 to pay per hash. So whatever your hash rate is, you're going to times that by 1120, and that will be how much you're going to be paying roughly, give or take, to upgrade your miner. So like I said, more rewards from your maintenance fee. You're not paying as much maintenance. You're getting that difference into your rewards wallet, but it does cost a pretty penny to upgrade. At least in my opinion, it's pretty steep. So if we wanted to look at upgrading the actual hash rate of these miners to see what the difference is, let's go ahead and look at this one real quick just to get a baseline. So baseline for a 20 watt 1 hash is about 1860, 1850, right? To upgrade. If you were to go over to, let's go to the marketplace, we'll pull up a 15 wattage here. We'll look at upgrading it. If you wanted upgrading the hash rate, the computing power for a 15 watt, it's going to be $29, $30 roughly per hash, which is pretty steep. That's like what, $11 more, 10 $11 more versus a 20 watt. So you are definitely going to be paying a lot more to upgrade these. Overall, since this just released today, I'm personally not going to be upgrading my stuff because I do think these prices are a bit steep. And maybe in the future they'll come down or there'll be a discount. Who knows? Maybe they'll have a sale. I don't know. Personally, I'm not going to be upgrading these just because the prices are so expensive to upgrade them, both in the efficiency side and in the hash rate. I do feel like 20 watt is a pretty good middle ground, and I'm pretty happy with my 20 watts currently, as far as like the rewards go. So I'm not going to be doing it, but you can. One important note though is that starting December 2nd, digital miners with an energy efficiency higher than 28 watts will no longer qualify for power upgrades. So that means you can no longer upgrade their TH, their hash rate, for anything greater than 28 watts. Meaning that if you had, say, I think I have a 35 in here somewhere. Yep, this 35 watt miner come December 2nd, I'm not going to be able to upgrade that from a 3 hash. I will have to downgrade. I will have to upgrade the energy efficiency to 28 or lower in order to then be able to start buying hash again on this miner if I want to. So that is something to note. So if you want to upgrade them now, do it now before December 2nd. Otherwise, you'll be forced to upgrade. You'll have to upgrade your energy efficiency before you can continue to upgrade your hash rate. And that goes for the reinvestment features with the rewards, as well as the Greedy Machines automatic power upgrades. So just be aware of that. You do have, a couple weeks span at the time of this recording to go in and do that. So that about sums up this brand new energy efficiency feature with the 15 watt. Again, to recap, you will be paying less in maintenance fees. That difference in maintenance fees will go to your rewards. Prices are a bit more steep. It is $14 more per hash to create a brand new miner, but you do get 14 cents more to your rewards a month if you're just doing a 1 watt. You will be paying about $11.20 per hash to upgrade from a 20 watt down to a 15 watt. And then you have until December 2nd to upgrade anything above 28 watts if you want, as far as power level goes. So let me know what you think about this new 15 watt energy efficiency down in the comments. And please subscribe if you think these videos are helpful. I would really appreciate it. I know we're a new channel, but we're growing. So thank you for watching, and here's to more Go mining videos in the future. Have a great day.